Isaiah 44. It is God that frustrates the tokens of liars. Anybody who will be lying during this election, may God frustrate all their endeavors. God should frustrate all their businesses. God should frustrate their steps. May their lies make their wives never believe them. May their children never believe them. May their husbands never believe them. May their bosses never believe them. It is God that frustrates the tokens of liars. Say tokens of liars. People can sit on radio and create stories, create pictures, animation, and this one has done it, this one has done this. If you create one, may my God frustrate you. Any transaction you do the rest of your life will be frustrated. He that frustrates the tokens of, he frustrates the tokens of what? And make a divineness mad. Anybody who want to use celestial beings, terrestrial beings, ancestral spirit, necromancy, sorcery, juju, magic, may they go mad. Whether you are party A or party B, anybody that will use divination and sorcery, magic to influence the will of the people, if I be a man of God, may they go mad. May anybody who tries to pray for them also go mad. He turns wise men backwards. Anybody who's using his book long, IT technology, infrared technology, Bluetooth technology, telestial technology, IT technology, to subvert results to wrong places, we turn them backwards. Their brain will go to 1645. They will start thinking like babies. Anybody who has devised some knowledge to use against the electorate and will go and have papers in their address, and they will go and vote wrongly, and they will use Kululu and Kalala, and they will give them 10 sheets, and they know all these things. May their knowledge become foolish. May their knowledge become foolish. Let their knowledge become foolish. Can I pray again? Anybody who is praying to any other thing and trying to offer sacrifices to my God, my Lord, my God, may that sacrifice never be accepted. I raise the ultimate sacrifice of Jesus Christ, whom I serve, whom I love. And if I've never consulted any other spirit, if I've ever consulted a shrine, if I ever consulted a juju, if I've ever consulted any other spirit than Almighty God, then Lord, let it be on me. But Lord, if I have not, let it return to them.